This course will definitely change the way that we've been solving problems within the organisation. Having the structure makes it a lot easier to understand whether you're completing the root cause analysis properly. Having those rule-based assessments means that you know when you've got all the causes and you know what solutions you can implement.
Yeah, I think the greatest value of attending RCA training in person rather than doing online training is that it's a more hands-on thing. You get to ask your questions whenever they appear and pop up. It's far more interactive, I think it's far more engaging, and when you engage people in the material, you get better learning outcomes.
The training is really important from our workplace perspective to enable us to get down to the cause of an incident to then in turn ideally eliminate that from happening again in the future.
I found this course very enjoyable. The training material is quite interesting. The way that the course is structured is quite linear and it works through the process very well.
And you can see it appearing in front of your eyes. When that information appears on the wall, they're understanding the concepts and they're putting it into practice.
Jack is a very engaging trainer. He's able to get people talking, he's able to get people listening as well, and be able to get answers from people who are perhaps not as open to speaking in public, which is good.
The training style's been lots of fun. It's an interesting course. There's enough theory as well as practical application. It's a nice small group, so there's plenty of conversation that goes on. I've really enjoyed it.